Good morning, all my friends. I'm Auntie Karen, this is Answer Time Activities. Today is Christmas Eve, and it is almost Christmas Day. And I thought to celebrate, we could do Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Here we go. You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glowed. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. All right, my friends, have a very Merry Christmas. We'll see you next time. Ta-ta for now.